Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time on this channel, you are definitely welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make cookies at home using just your sandwich maker. So if you guys want to know how I make these cookies with my sandwich maker, then keep on watching. Okay, so now I'm going to be using some butter. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of butter. Then we just want to soften the butter with our whisk. You just want to tap it and press it just to make sure the butter is soft. So our next ingredient is honey. So for this recipe, I'm not going to be using sugar. I'm going to be substituting it with honey instead. So I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of honey. I prefer honey in my recipes because I don't know, it just does the same thing as sugar, and I'm not really a sugary or sugar person. So I'm just gonna mix that together till combined. Now we're gonna add our vanilla extract, just a little bit of vanilla extract. Bam. Then mix and mix. Just make sure you're mixing very, very well so it blends together, as you can see. Now we're gonna add our all-purpose flour. I'm adding half cup of all-purpose flour. So I'm gonna add then baking soda, just a little bit of baking soda, about half teaspoon of baking soda. Then we're gonna mix. Now we're gonna get our hands dirty, and because the whisk can't really do much, so you're gonna use your hand to combine the dough very well. Just continue to combine until everything comes together. You guys are going to see the end result pretty soon. So as you guys can see, it is coming together. It's becoming a dough, and yeah, like this is what we are looking for, as you guys can see. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start shaping our biscuits or cookies. So you're going to take a little bit and you're going to roll it in your palm this way, and now you just want to use your fingers to shape it into a round shape. Now if you have a cookie cutter or you have anything, whatever you have, you can use it at this point to shape your cookies to whatever shape that you want. I don't have a cookie cutter, I don't have any of that, so I'm just going to be using my fingers. And as you guys can see, my cookies are not perfect, but it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's not like I'm selling it or anything, so it's not perfect. But if you want yours to be perfect, use a cookie cutter, use whatever you want. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to do this, and that is it. Now this is the best part. You're going to take your sandwich maker, make sure you preheat it for about 2 minutes, make sure it is hot, then you put your dough or your cookies on it, and yeah, but make sure you preheat your your sandwich maker. Now when you see that the sides of your cookies are getting brown, then you want to turn it to the other side, guys. Look at how gorgeous that is. Yeah, I just want to turn it. It's so pretty. Okay, so pretty. Now you're going to cover it for another 2 minutes, and voila, there you have it, your delicious cookies. No oven, no eggs, just 5 ingredients, and you have this beautifully made cookies. Now these cookies, this method that I used in this video, you can use it for different kind of cookies. I've made chocolate chip cookies with this same recipe. Just add chocolate chip while mixing your dough. You can make peanut butter cookies with it as well. Just add peanut butter, about 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons to the dough. Or you can use to make coconut cookies. Just add coconut flour to the cookies, and then you can enjoy these delicious crispy cookies. Now that we're in quarantine, most of us can like just go out to get cookies anytime you want, but you can make your cookies in the comfort of your house, even if you don't have an oven. Like, how amazing is that? This cookies is so good. You can make it anytime you want. I literally make this literally every day, And for preservation, you can just put this in an airtight container and it can stay for as long as 2 weeks, I promise you guys. But mine doesn't stay that long because I finish it within days. So if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to subscribe button down below and be sure to hit the bell button. Till next time, bye.